All right, so this is our Zinsser B-I-N. This is a shellac-based stain blocking primer. It's very popular in the restoration community, so for holding back like odors and smoke. Shellac actually dries with like plate technology, so it doesn't have circles, so it doesn't allow odor to come through. So it kind of builds on top of itself, so that odor can't actually work its way through to the top. So it effectively blocks that odor from coming through.
Right.
So fire damages, pet urine, things like that, things that are notorious for having tough smells.
Right.
This will block it.
Okay.
Okay. Now we've harped on recoat windows, right?
Yep.
And talking about let it dry. The nice thing with B-I-N shellac, it's denature alcohol based. It dries in 45 minutes, and you can recoat it in 45 minutes, no matter what you're trying to block. Okay.
Cool.
Now the biggest thing with this is I would say it's a semi-solid. So most of the time when you coat this and it dries, you come back, you can still see the stain.
Right.
Doesn't mean it's not working, but you can still see it. So a lot of times a homeowner, or they're just like, I can still see that stain, it's not working. Well, if you want, put another coat on. That's fine.
Right.
But it's not designed for hide. It's designed for blocking.
Blocking. Right. So okay, bring it up. The difference between this and these products up here, these are hide.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. These are blocking and hide.
Yes.
And this is pure blocking.
Blocking
Yep.
only. Not going to hide.
Yep.
Right. Okay.
And fast return to service.
Right.
So, I mean, guys use B-I-N on cabinets sometimes too, where they just want to put it down, it'll dry quick, and then come back through and put a top coat and be done that day.
Right.
The only downside of this is the denature alcohol, so it smells.
Yeah.
And it'll get throughout your whole house.
Yep.
So it'll work into the carpet and things like that. So 3-4 days later, you're still going to kind of come in, you still get that lingering smell.
Like the good old days with paint.
Yes.
Yep. Where it just kind of lingers around. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you.
Interior only.
Okay.
Exterior spot priming.
Okay.
But it's not because it dries hard, it dries fast, that it doesn't have as much flexibility as you would need for outside work.
Okay.
But if you want to put it on wood, drywall, things like that, that's fine.
Okay.
But typically inside or spot priming, like knots and stuff like that.
Same preparation with all the other primers that you have here?
Yep.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.